Uzi Vlogs po and welcome back sa isa na naman pong vlog na gagawin ko for the day. But before that, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe po sa akin, please do so. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you can leave the like button para sa video na to. Ayun, so isang madali lang naman po itong gagawin ko. Just an unboxing of my latest package. So let's get it on. Ayan, samahan niyo po ako at may dumating sa akin na package. Ito nga po yung package na dumating. So samahan niyo po ako. Box natin. Okay. Ito. Matteo Guidicelli. I was inspired by it. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano laman ito. Box. Yun, bago akong Jordan 1. Ito na laman. Resibo. Oh, sapatos. Box. Guys, ito na po ang aking latest unboxing, and that is the Matteo Guidicelli style, and this is the Jordan shoe. Oh my God! Sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Stop it. Get some help. And please do subscribe to my channel again. Please do leave a like, and also click the notification bell. Yan po. And this is my new Jordan shoes unboxing. That's it. Guys, nagustuhan nyo ba? Kulay? Ganda.